everybody, welcome back to the channel. Got a beer can fix for you today. We're gonna be doing some stuff to try and hide some ugly using cool beer cans. Stick around. So here's what we're gonna be doing. I want this Moon Eyes steering wheel on my golf cart. Problem is they don't make adapters for golf cart steering shafts. So I used my old steering wheel, cut it down, and made my own adapter, okay? Not too bad. The problem is it's really ugly and I don't want that part to show. So what are we gonna do? We are gonna cut up a beer can into an aluminum strip. I'm gonna wrap that around like that. I'm gonna drill 2 holes. I'm gonna rivet that on there, and that should hide the ugly and look like it belongs on this thing. So here we go. Got my strip already cut. Now, word of warning, if you're gonna go in the kitchen, do it when your wife's not around to grab that scissors. Yeah. Okay, we got 3/16 drill bit. We got 2 rivets right there. All right, so got a couple holes. Got my rivets. And as long as everything lines up, there we go. All right. Clamp it down. First one. All right, put our steering wheel back on, and if everything goes according to plan, we'll have our beer can steering wheel wrap hiding all the ugly on this thing, and we'll take it for a spin. There we go. It's not billet, it's beer can, but hey. Next, we're gonna fix these seats. Then we're gonna paint it. So, does it pass for billet aluminum? No, probably not, but you know, hey. Does the job, hides the ugly. Mission accomplished, beer can fixed. Peace and grease.